So guys, they need no introduction. आपको कुछ आइडिया है कि मेरा आज का सबसे पहला सवाल क्या होगा?
आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही?
लंच में आपका सफर आप फाइनलिस्ट हो गए तो हाउ इज इट फील? आपके रिहर्सल्स कितने बजे हैं?
आपकी शुरुआत कब हुई?
No.
आपने खाना खाया?
आप मिली कैसे पहली बार?
नहीं.
ओह माय गॉड.
Any guesses? Roommate?
अच्छे भाई का बोल.
Why I am guessing.
So what is the question?
आपके नाम का मीनिंग क्या है?
Oh right. So basically
गिविंग स्ट्रेस.
एबिगेल बेसिकली एक हिब्रू वर्ड है जो बाइबल से लिया गया है. मेरी मम्मी कैथलिक है एंड शी ऑलवेज सेड कि सरनेम तो हिंदू वाला होने वाला है, इसमें मैं हेल्प नहीं कर सकती बट नाम कैथलिक होना चाहिए. तो
कास्ट क्रीड से बाहर निकल के people are just loving you guys, falling in love with you. How does that?
it feels, I think it feels great, you know. We have so many fans, so many international fans, so many fans from Pakistan, Bangladesh, you know, they're not even able to vote and they all keep telling us that we want to vote for you guys but we can't, and it makes us feel so nice, you know, that we have so many people not only in India but even from Pakistan, Bangladesh and it feels great, yeah.
So आपको जान के बहुत खुशी होगी कि हमारे जो viewers हैं mostly they are Indians and Pakistanis, all the people loving all across the world, so they are watching us. Okay, so सबसे पहले मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल पूछ लेती हूँ जो मुझे 500 बार भेजे गए हैं. एक आरुषि दत्त है, उन्होंने बोला कि पहले सनम को बोल देना I love you सनम, and she kept writing it. ठीक है आरुषि, I forwarded your message.
Thank you Arushi.
If you made his day, Arushi.
If you know Karishma Rawat, she said please do say hi to
Karishma. Oh, Karishma the blogger. Yeah. Oh, yes. I know. No, you don't know. She was a friend of mine and she's one of the best bloggers. I don't really follow all of this, but I keep following her posts. So thank you, Karishma. I love you.
Karishma, you owe me.
Karishma, I love you. You know that.
This is so
Wow,
cute.
this is what?
This is a Joker gift. There are some gifts which you know, there is this hippie thing.
Wow.
You get a
Oh,
break
we
and
are getting
everything.
tears also. Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you guys for all the love. Pushpa, I hate tears.
Oh yeah, my name was Pushpa and Hamse Life. So yeah. I love Hamse Life. I love people who call me Pushpa and Sia. It really brings back a lot of good memories. So.
And you bring so much energy. You are always like this.
No, not while rehearsing. Rehearsing I'm dead.
Whenever there's camera, there's she's loud and she
Energetic.
takes it in one go. She's breathless.
That is normally
She
also.
starts singing breath. No, maybe.
I have to say so much such little time. It's time to get it over with.
Okay. आप दोनों कैमरे के पीछे कौन है? कैमरे के पीछे who is like what?
कैमरे के पीछे, I think the only कैमरे के पीछे now in our lives is rehearsal time. In which I am the most cranky baby. Like very honestly, a lot of people tell me that you know you've come so far and you're doing so good. They have no idea what my choreographer Khushbu and he had to go through because it's not an easy task dealing with me. But yeah, it's not an easy task dealing with me. We go through a lot. Like there's crying, fighting, and then we come up with a good performance. So yes. Even though we've given good performances and people say, "Arey, you're doing so good and stuff."
The backstory, they should come and ask.
यही तो बैक स्टोरी कुछ बता दो हमको सनम.
Arey, he's just waiting for the chance. Now he'll start.
Sanam,
Go.
please.
See, I'll tell you. Basically, what happened is, baby here is very scared of everything.
Not everything of lifts.
No, everything.
And their dancing is lifts. 50 यहाँ पे lift, वहाँ पे lift. अच्छा इसके बाद lift. ये when I hear the song now ना.
Yeah.
When I hear the track now ना, I'm so used to it that I know कि कौन से point पे ये लोग lifts डालने वाले हैं.
कुछ
So
नहीं
one
पता.
day of rehearsal
She's
goes
just-
only in teaching lifts. One full day just goes in teaching lifts.
Because it
I
takes a
reach up
while.
there and I'm like, get me down. I can't see, it's too high. And he's 6 feet. Yeah, to sitting on his shoulder is like tough.
6 feet, 5 feet.
मतलब but you know, I will contradict her thing. I think she really enjoys sitting on your shoulder.
No,
That's
she
why
does
you guys are together. I think that is the reason you guys.
See, I enjoy it after I'm confident with it, but the first few
not even Why are you lying? She's
अच्छा.
lying, yeah. She's like, guys, she's lying.
सनम एक अब सच्ची स्टोरी बता दो हमको. चलो.
One such story is that yes, from the outside it looks very nice and everything. The performance, when you see the performance, so you see a perfect performance because you've gone through that stress, hammering, hard
me
work.
has gone through that stress and bullying.
You realize, right, when you get lifted, there's a person who's lifting you.
Yeah, but okay.
And so non-complaining person is lifting you.
Guys,
again
guys,
and again.
देखो अभी
Okay.
अगर आपको आप प्लीज अपना पाँव जरा ऊपर करिए.
Yeah, guys, see.
तो चोट भी
I'm
लगी है.
injured. So we had this performance, ballet wala. If you would have seen my feet that time, it looked like a man's foot. You know, it was so bruised and it had become like, it was, yeah. See?
Okay, okay, so
So
मुझे
much
लोग
Verangi foot.
जान से मार देंगे. कुछ क्वेश्चन से मैं पूछ लेती हूँ जो कि बहुत टाइम से आ रहे थे. सबसे पहले शमाइल है, she has a girl crush, crush on you since I've started interviewing. She asked me to interview you and you will not believe what happened, and she said interview Sanam. I was like, who's Sanam? And I went to the office and I was like, who's Sanam? And all the girls were like, you don't know Sanam Johar? And I was like, oh god, I did some sin or what? So she said, sorry, very
That's
weird
okay.
question. She said अगर आपका कोई भी breakup का plan है, so would you like dating her?
मुझे कोई plan ही नहीं. Lots of love. All to
Oh.
her. But God bless you. You'll find someone.
Better.
Someone like me.
Better भी नहीं बोल रहा है.
Someone.
Better नहीं बोला है.
Nobody can be better.
So
Ask
guys,
her.
don't go on their no joke. They are so much in love. Okay. So Ahuti, she runs your
Yeah,
fan club.
Ahuti.
Ahuti का सवाल है. So we have taken up your fan club का question first, and then we'll go to the viewers' question. What was your first reaction when you got to know about Abhi's feelings for you?
Abhi's feeling for me. My first reaction was, अरे यार ऐसे कैसे?
ऐसे कैसे?
And I was like, I know. I mean, I knew it actually, and I was like, basically what happened was first time when she met me, she saw me in the towel. So I was dead sure that this girl's gonna go
Yeah.
gaga over me. So
Anytime anyone asks us, na, he'll say this only.
By any chance, Temptation brand देख रहा है, so please hire them.
please.
And Jabki, like every time anyone asks us, he's like, Arey, you know how we met? I was in a tower and
And she
saw
fell
me.
in love.
And she fell madly in love with me. And I was like, Acha. And actually in our first meeting, we hardly even spoke. We were like, and he's quite like shy and reserved.
But
He doesn't
she
talk.
thought that I had attitude.
Yeah, and I told our friend who got us to meet कि कितना शर्म है यार, ये तो बात ही नहीं करता, मैं नहीं आ रही तेरे घर. Cut to अभी इसके घर पे रह रही हूँ.
Okay. Okay. Let's make it. Oh, Sanam, you are so cute. Abhi is very lucky.
That is true.
Who knows?
I am
Actually,
very
who
lucky.
knows?
But thank you so much.
अगला सवाल है. What was your first reaction when you guys see each other? Like first impression का चाहिए. This also comes from Ahuti.
First time when I saw her, like I said, I came out in a towel and I said, Arey, I've seen you on television, and that was it.
Yeah, and my first reaction as Sanam is ready to afterward. Yeah, I went gaga over him. I fell on the floor and
I
I was like,
came
Sanam,
out.
Sanam, Sanam, yeah.
Boom.
Like, I want Sanam. No, but actually, I saw Sanam and heard a lot about him, and he's the kind of guy who people really, really love. He's just a very, very sweet guy. I'm not saying this because he's my
That's why
boyfriend.
he has come this.
But I always said this when we were friends also, that he's a very humble, a very soft-spoken, very chivalrous. So everyone loves him. He's the kind of guy you call him at 3 and you may not be his friend also, and he'll still be there, for you. Like, okay, you need me. I'm
Don't
here.
ask me for his number.
Provided I pick up the phone.
Girls, provided he gets up
Asleep.
from his sleep to pick up the phone. Yeah.
Actually, there is another girl. She runs your fan club. She said, "What is the best thing about your relationship? What do you guys think is your best thing?"
That we can say anything and everything to each other without any filters. So I think that transparency is very important in any relationship. You shouldn't keep things inside. And I think that's the
Yeah, I
best
think because we've been very good friends also before dating. So, there's no, I don't have to think, like a lot of my friends, you know how it would
Yeah, sometimes it's very irritating also for her as well. Sometimes we don't think and just say.
And we say a lot of things without thinking, carry a boyfriend there or whatever. I don't hide
Yeah.
anything from him.
So there's no filter.
Yeah, there's no
Maybe
filter.
that's why you guys going so strong, and it is translated also. Like your love is reaching to the people, which is rare.
Yes, yes.
And then when two cute people come together and other people falling in love with them as a couple is also a rare thing.
That's also there.
Yeah, and I think we're very lucky because initially when we started with Nach also, we knew that we're not one of the popular jodi, that we were okay with it. Because we knew कि चलो at least it will motivate us to give good performances. कि चलो इस बल पे तो रह जाएंगे show में. And secondly because we are very nervous to talk on stage. Like now we've still
Please
started.
breathe while you're speaking.
Now we've still started But like Telina, initially stage पे we have this person Anirban who has to take care of us talking, and you know he comes and he briefs us. He always tells me, "Why don't you guys talk?" So stage पे when I reach, I'm quiet. I'm like shut. And you know, for me to say something, it took a lot of time for us to like open up, and we do now. I think now we're a lot more comfortable. It's been 3 months, and we're very used to the judges and our co-contestants.
Now we've started talking without tone as well.
ऋत्विक कह रहे सनम भाई मैंने आपके लिए एक सैड सॉन्ग लिखा है.
Yeah?
Sad song क्यों?
सैड सॉन्ग क्यों यार, ये क्यों
Yeah,
इतनी
man.
खुश हो रही है? आकाश कह रहे हैं माय क्वेश्चन इज फॉर सनम, क्या अभी को गुस्सा आता है?
No. क्या मुझे गुस्सा आता है बेबी?
नहीं
बताओ.
नहीं गुस्सा नहीं है.
So we have got 100 people saying you guys are cute, beautiful, ये वो. Abhidi sing now please.
Oh my God, I don't know.
You sing.
You know, if I sing,
You are a
guys.
trained classical singer. Sing.
Oh, acha, I'm a trained dancer also. I'm a trained singer also. I
You're
love
not a trained
this.
dancer. She's not a trained dancer. She's a good dancer, very good dancer, but she's not trained.
Yeah,
Now,
a lot of.
I think 3 महीने में काफी training हो चुकी है.
Yeah, I think 3
But
months
then why
मैं trained
you
now.
sing your trained singer? ये like तुम्हें
Oh.
क्या genuine?
So basically, बचपन में my mom really thought I could sing. Okay, like all our moms, you know, they think their kids can do everything. My mom really thought I could sing, and I knew it that I can't. So she put me for this classical training for like a good 6 to 8 months. That sir, he was a sweetheart. He used to come, but I think he
Post that he forgot to sing.
Like I used to play the piano. I was good at that. He used to teach me that also. But I think that everyone kind of understood after they heard me sing.
But
like,
she's very good with piano. Just breathe, no please. But she's very good with piano, and guys, I think everybody is unaware of her piano skills. So I
Yeah,
think
थोड़ा गुनगुना दो.
Arre,
अच्छा
piano.
okay,
I can only play. I can't.
अच्छा, but I want to ask this. What is that song which comes to your mind, which you would like to dedicate to each other? Deep down, most soulful romantic song you guys feel for each other.
see, there's one song I always sing for her. That's Abhina Jao Chod.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Abhina Jao Chod. Abhina.
And you?
Well, I don't sing, but there are a lot of songs. Like there's this song Mahi Way. So for 1 year, Sanam and I, Mahi Way from Highway, I don't know, yeah, that one. So when Sanam and I were friends, you know, we both, I don't know about him, but I really liked him at that point of time. And I used to always listen to this song, so it has a lot of good memories. That and Ek Ishq Bulawa. So I think these two songs, I can still hear them because I remember all the times when I just started falling in love with him, and you know, Mahi Way is kind of our song.
That's really sweet. So there is this another fan club of yours, Abhi Gail X Sanam.
Yes, I know. I'm
उनके
following.
so बहुत सारे questions में से मैंने कुछ questions सुने. उनके 2 सवाल हैं. Does Sanam go to drop you to shoot every day, or you have to wake up alone and prepare
Oh,
everything?
never. He's always been up.
As in not every day, to be very honest. मैं ऐसा नहीं, I'm the best. Not like that, but if, whenever I'm free and I know baby is tired and she has to go in the morning and she's had a long night, पहले, so you say no.
Yeah.
अगली तारीख को तो आज.
Yeah, I was waiting. So basically, I was doing this show Saubhagya Lakshmi, which was on NTV, and that set was 50 kilometers away from where I stayed. It was in Vasai. So 50 kilometers one way, 50 kilometers back. And that time Sanam was free, but because I was shooting and I used to come back home, sometimes be so tired to remove my makeup. I used to sleep, and I remember Sanam need me. He used to be removing my makeup because he used to be like, skin kharab ho jayegi baby ki. And in the morning,
This
he used to
entire
get up.
interview can be finished in this one word.
And in the morning he used to wake up, and one day I told him that, you know, baby, वहाँ पे we reach at 8 in the morning and no vada pav wala is also open. Where to call? National Highway पे तो there's no place to call for food. And I said sometimes the नाश्ते के लिए I just eat chai biscuit. So he made it like every morning after I said that. He used to wake up, make chai, pack sandwiches for me. And he makes the world's best food, this guy. Like, I'm telling you, when I say I'm
This
loving
guy,
him.
you
Yes,
just know
already
this
today
guy.
is Valentine's Day.
Every day with Sanam is Valentine's Day, very honestly.
So-
Like he himself says it, you know, कि Valentine's Day को मुझे समझ में नहीं आता मैं क्या
Yeah, there's an added pressure on
Pressure,
Valentine's
yeah.
Day.
Every day he makes it special.
On this day, I have to do something special.
But you've been doing every day now.
Yes.
There are
Exactly.
people who forget.
And I think that's better, yeah, rather than having that one anniversary
Yeah.
or one Valentine's Day where you go all out. Sanam makes every day special.
So I am blushing like मेरा relationship की बात चल रही है. Okay, so there is this another question. You have many international fans. So do you think अगर international voting open होता it would have been a huge, made a huge difference.
I'm sure it would have made a
See, it's
huge
like the more the
difference for all the
merrier.
couples.
It's like that. मतलब अगर होता open रहता तो I think it would have benefited everyone.
Yeah, it would
And,
definitely been very, very nice. And we wish there was international voting. But as I say, ki everyone who can't vote for us, please
Please
just
pray
say
for us.
pray for us. It would mean a lot. We really need it.
Devleena ने बोला है कि who do you think is the toughest competition in Natchbelly?
My toughest competition in Natchbelly is Abigail.
Yeah.
Because now people have forgotten how I dance and just hey Joker.
Oh, yes.
Now they'll take the screenshot.
Yeah, we pose.
It's cute, na?
Yeah.
Guys, can we have hippie as well, guys? Can we have hippie? That's
Oh,
the
I want to
future.
see what it is.
Guys, she wants to see hippie come up. We need hippie. Okay, so now you can send your questions. I'm going to read your questions as well. Hi, Annie, Solly, Dipali, Priya, Babun, Pooja. When did you realize you both love each other?
Hi Babuna.
Any defining moment of relationship?
Oh, we got it,
Yeah.
Yeah, I love this, yeah.
So cute, na? And they can send
I
you.
hope someone's taking screenshots, guys.
Yeah,
To send it to
yeah.
us.
You can eat noodles also. So they'll send a bowl and you'll feel like you're eating the noodles.
So cool,
Guys,
yeah.
can we have
Very
this
cool.
also? If you face Shantanu, what will be your reaction? If you नितिन पूछ रहे हैं अगर आप शांतनु महेश्वरी को फेस करें तो आपका रिएक्शन क्या होगा?
I've faced Shantanu Maheshwari.
Abby or me?
Both of us. I think he's a very sweet guy and a fantastic
See, I think they're talking about the dance.
Yeah.
And
No.
they're talking about me facing him.
Acha, yeah, maybe, probably.
I'm just joining the dots. I think he's a good dancer and जैसे मैंने उसको सिखाया वो वैसा करता है. But he's a good guy. He's a very good guy. I think I met him in Jhalak. I was doing Jhalak with Surveen and he was there with Alisha. So very good guy. He got very less time to rehearse and जितना भी करता था उसमें भी he used to just kill it. So I think he's like a born talented dancer. So
And a very good actor also.
if I face him, then we both will do a superb duet.
lot of people
Romantic.
बहुत लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग झलक भी करिएगा प्लीज एक साथ. आप लोग ये झलक की
This is Jhalak only.
This is Jhalak for me, guys.
Jhalak only. For me also.
I love you, man. When will you go to Delhi?
Delhi.
Shehaz.
Once we win,
Yes,
Good.
after winning.
please vote for us if you want us to come to Delhi.
Guys, everyone, if you're watching, you have to vote them. Come on, yeah.
Yeah,
You have
guys,
to
please,
vote them.
video
See,
need the
details are 180084322208.
I think, guys,
By any chance, if you guys miss it, we are going to put it on our social
Oh, perfect.
website everywhere. So, guys, please. आप वहाँ जाके
Yeah, and guys, I know how difficult it is for Sanam to remember mobile number. It took him 8 months to remember my number. So just because he's remembered this voting number, please vote for that reason.
And breathe out.
Ahuti कहने Sanam, do you know that you have broke million hearts?
Have I?
How would you ask
Have
such
I?
awkward questions?
But see, unintentional mistakes are good mistakes, right? So I didn't do
Aditi
it on
पूछ रही है, is
purpose.
there any meet and greet thing happening in Mumbai? Your fans can come down.
Uh,
At least once they win, I think.
Yeah, I think post Snatch, because right now I've not met my mum in 3 days, yeah. So yes, post Snatch, definitely we would love to meet you guys, and I promise we'll have a meet and greet.
So this guy's like, अरे मेरा question पूछो ना, are you getting new home after Natch?
If we win.
Yes. Hopefully yes, and soon we'll get a house.
There is this guy Shehaz, he's like, I've been calling your manager for so long, please मेरे यहाँ की wedding choreography कर दो.
Okay. You leave a message, mail me, email me, and
Boxing queen and हमसे है like.
Yeah!
oh,
I know.
Sanam, can you please give us a kiss? Kiss to me. Kiss to me.
He'll give you guys 10
Ahuti.
5 kisses every day. Please vote for us. I'll make sure he gives kisses.
So every time he wins, he will post a video with lot of kisses.
Yeah.
He
Together,
love you.
so.
Yeah.
I think that's yes. We have our different medium and different genres in the industry. She's an actor and I'm into dancing, so totally different. So, but we have our different reach as well, different audience as well. But I think together they like us more, they love us more. So, which is very, I think it's very sweet. Thank you guys.
Yeah, I think the audience these days they're very
They're
smart.
very
They understand genuine couples. They understand, they know things. So I think they've seen our real side and they love us for that. So thank you so much. We're blessed.
So Nikki from Sweden, she's like, Abhinam, one thing you learned about each other in Natch.
Oh.
Happy's like,
One
Sanam,
just
I'm your
one.
biggest fan, I love you. You guys can think of the answer. भाई जी हिंदी वाले भी आपके फैन हैं, हमें इंग्लिश नहीं आती.
अरे
Raj कह रहे हैं.
अच्छा, बेसिकली हमने क्या सीखा एक दूसरे के बारे में, वो है कि
I think हमने बेसिकली प्रेशर संभालना सीखा है साथ में.
हाँ,
ये
अभी
हमने
भी-
कभी फेस नहीं किया था क्योंकि नेचर ऑफ जॉब्स थोड़ी अलग है हमारे एक दूसरे से. सो यस डेफिनेटली सीखा है कि अच्छे मूड्स में तो हम मिलते ही है. जब भी हम अपना अपना काम करते हैं तो एक दूसरे को देखते हैं तो खुश होते हैं, पर जब साथ में रह
साथ
के
में
स्ट्रेस
थोड़ा-
को डील.
आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट शेयरिंग स्ट्रेस वी हैव लर्नड. अपना अपना जो भी स्ट्रेस है वो बांटना हमने सीख लिया है. मतलब नॉट प्रॉपर्ली, ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे हम बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हो गए हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक इट हैज़ बिन मतलब एक ऐसे ट्यूशन की तरह नेचुरली काम कर रहा है हमारे लिए, क्योंकि इट इज़ टॉट.
लाइक हम अभी भी परफेक्ट नहीं है बट इट्स ओके. मतलब द आइडिया इज कि बस हमें अपना बेस्ट करना है. यस झगड़े होंगे, मारा पीटी होगी, बट
मारा पीटी तो नहीं होगी, मैं ही पीटूंगा.
हाँ मतलब सनम पीटेगा
संस्कृति
बट
पूछ रहे हैं कि सनम, do you have any plans of doing daily soaps?
No.
तब मजा आएगा मुझको.
See, I did this pilot for one of the shows. I really thought कि बहुत मुश्किल है, yes, बहुत difficult है everything, because सिर्फ 2 दिन में करना था वो सब. But I think I don't know, guys. Maybe
I think he'll be good. I think he
No,
dances.
I
He
don't
he expresses well.
see either I want to become an anchor or directly movies. Daily soap is not my
But
thing.
what if you start co-hosting with her?
Then he'll be the luckiest guy. He gets a chance to work with me again.
अरे यार, I won't get a chance to speak because वो breathless कर रही होगी.
Okay, so Shehaz is like, do you speak to your fans through your manager from his phone? Shehaz, I think.
See, अच्छा guys, also there are a lot of
Yeah.
fake profiles
Yes.
made on both of our names, and yes, there are people who actually like
But yeah, and I think हमें जो
say
message
rubbish things as well.
हम जो message pass on करना चाहते हैं कभी, if we want to pass on a message to our fans, it will always be through our own verified profiles.
Yes.
So don't believe anybody else. There is a team Abhinam which some like my sister Sadaf, she runs it, and she will also always give you correct information. But apart from that, I think कि अगर कुछ ऐसा हो जो थोड़ा unbelievable हो coming from us, please verify it with us because
Don't believe anything if you know that it's coming from our verified pages. Like a blue tick is there, that's the correct thing. So do
Yeah.
not
believe any
rely,
other.
do not reply, do not attend to any random page.
And to all the fans, I want to say कि अगर आप इनसे प्यार करते हैं या किसी भी सेलेब से प्यार करते हैं तो use social media अपना प्यार दिखाने के लिए.
Yeah,
Do
please.
whatever you can do, and they will definitely reply to you. They will find कि आपने जो भी किया उसमें effort है, so they will definitely reply.
And we read all your comments.
Yes,
I know
we
it's impossible to,
To
reply,
reply,
but we read all the comments and it really encourages us and motivates
Sanam,
us.
you nailed my head and heart since Dare to Dance.
Thanks, yaar. It was a superb show. I think
Okay.
I felt very good.
So we'll have this quick questions because people are confused. You guys are writing I love you, I love you. Tyagi,
We love you all.
Tyagi लिख रहे हैं. Okay. So these are called compatibility questions. आपको एक दूसरे की तरफ point करना है, ठीक है? Point खुद को side में, ठीक है? So here we go, guys. Who is most romantic? Who
See,
is
my name is Sanam.
Yeah, what could be more romantic?
who is more गुस्सा वाला?
See, my name is Sanam.
Who is late Latif? But she has to do makeup and all that.
Yeah.
television के लिए it's not
फिर-
easy.
अरे, what is this?
वो भी
There is
makeup
no.
है.
अरे.
अच्छा, who is the most laziest? Who is more responsible? Who says I love you first?
She said I love you first, but I say I love you most of the time.
On daily basis, who says
I
it?
say.
No, we both say baby.
But I still feel I say. Because क्या होता है ना कि because stress होता है and there's a lot of things for baby to remember. तो I think वो busy रहती है, मतलब वो distracted रहती है, मतलब focus नहीं, distracted रहती है, already caught up in things. तो I think वो कहीं ना कहीं भूल नहीं जाती. She means
ऐसा
it,
कुछ
she
नहीं, मैं
feels
ज़्यादा
it.
बोलती
But maybe also because you have done so many reality shows, you have won as well that you know how
No,
to
but no,
deal
it's
with it.
different.
No, yeah, I think no
Working-
reality show. Can
Every
give
reality
you.
show has given me equal amount of stress,
Yeah.
but it's just that ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं used to हो गया उस stress से. It has different stress levels. झलक में as a choreographer stress था. यहाँ पे as an artist with her stress है. Obviously I'm helping the choreographer to choreograph and teaching her as well. But different stress. बच्चों के
Yeah.
साथ different stress. So I think it's just it's yes I have done it. Yes, dance part I know, but here I'm not alone.
Yeah.
My goal is with me.
Yeah.
So I
By
have to-
goal, again, I want to clear, he does not mean GOAL goal, he means GOL goal.
Who said sorry first?
Both
Yeah, both of
times.
us.
Both of us दोनों हम थोड़ा बचपना करते हैं, equal amount of बचपना. Then दोनों हम equal amount of गुस्सा हो जाते हैं. फिर जब भी मौका देख के जिसको सॉरी बोलना होता है वो बोल देते हैं.
Yeah, so it's not just one person.
So we have got this few relationship twists. Also because you guys are going very good, handling it very beautifully, even being the public figure and being part of television. There are so many fans. What you think is the best and the worst part of being a public figure and being in a relationship?
मुझे ना बहुत ऐसे मम्मी used to say, जैसे हर मम्मी कहती
I
है.
have got so many messages that people find your mom the cutest. So many messages
She
from
is,
you.
she's the coolest.
I think super cool, super mom. So I think how parents say कि अरे माँ बोलती है ना अरे मेरी नज़र ना लग जाए. So I think sometimes I just feel maybe I don't know. So if it's orthodox, if it's not, तो कभी I feel कि people are sending so much love.
Yes.
तो वो I don't
Yeah, he always
नज़र ना
says-
लगनी चाहिए बस और कुछ नहीं.
He always very cute like that.
And हमेशा नज़र लगना is not बुरी नज़र.
नहीं,
It
but
could be
लगती है, I
हाँ.
also believe in
So
that.
I just feel yes there's a lot of
अगर
love and
वैसी
everything.
लगेगी तो नजर भी चमक जाएगी.
Yeah, so I think that's part and parcel. So हम touchwood करते रहते हैं. Touchwood.
Yeah.
So what is that one thing which has changed in you being with each other, being in this relationship?
I've become a mother
Son,
and she's become
father.
a lollipop.
He calls me a lollipop because he's saying तुम्हारे गाल तो जा नहीं रहे हैं, body से तुम पतली हो गई हो तो तुम lollipop
Abhi or the
लगती हो।
cutest.
Yeah,
I
I
know,
know.
he's just jealous of my cuteness.
Hey, lollipop, you used to call me. This one calls me lollipop. I'm just calling a lollipop like that right now.
मेरी मॉम कहती है वो लड़की इतनी प्यारी दिखती
प्यारी
है
है।
कि ऐसा लगता है बहू हो तो ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए.
सुनो,
Yeah, that's what
इतनी
my
प्यारी हो।
that's
I
what
like
my
it,
mom
thank
said.
you.
आंटी
Mom,
I love you, auntie.
एक बारी इनको ना घर लेके जाओ. ले जाओ आप घर.
You know the best part is building के पीछे वाली building में I stay.
what?
Okay.
My God.
Yes.
मैं अभी आता हूँ इसको छोड़ने आंटी.
Okay, so how would you define each other? Seriously, like genuinely.
Generally, she's a lollipop. But genuinely, this girl sitting right here has worked a lot in her life. Worked hard. बहुत struggle, मतलब strongly struggle किए. She's outdone herself. Obviously in life, in acting as well. But इस show में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना चाहते हुए भी इन्होंने मेरे लिए, अपने लिए, for the show इन्होंने किया है. So I think she's a beautiful human being. Cute है, बहुत cute. She's very lively. She keeps
Yes.
like अभी भी देख रहे होंगे मतलब I talk a little less than her. So I think she keeps me awake. She keeps me up and about. She keeps me entertained. मेरा entertainment यही है. So
See, 24/7.
I think she's the best. She's the best partner I've ever got. I've ever danced with. She's very light.
I'm
I can
blushing.
lift her
She's very light, I can lift her.
and throw her around. But I think
That's why you get all the lifts. Baba.
Yeah, they
It's
tell
a
me
hidden
also.
plan.
They
Yeah.
tell me also. अरे तू छोटी सी है ना, हम उठा सकते हैं तुझे. लेकिन मैं choreography. That's
even
what
if
they
she
tell me.
doesn't do it right,
He still
it's fine.
manages.
As they keep just trust me, I'll do it.
And what you guys do when you feel low, I'm sure, because it's so much stress, so much.
When we feel stressed and everything, actually there is no time to feel.
Yeah.
I mean, what to do now?
But what makes him up if he's sad? What makes him
Food.
And
I think
both-
both of us are
both of us.
foodies, yeah. Like crazy foodies. Like a lot of people look at us and they say, "अरे तुम लोग पतली हो रही हो कितने, डाइट कंट्रोल कर रहे हो?" Like, yeah. हम लोग इतना खाते हैं. It's always pizza. Pizza's every second day.
But
like,
kabhi kabhar, she's saying that we eat a lot and everything, but during the stress,
yeah, we forget to
we
eat.
do
also.
we skip, matlab unintentionally we skip
Yeah, we
it.
just forget to eat. Like one day I remember the act that is going to be telecasted tomorrow was the dedication to our moms. We did an act, and that act had a lot of changes happened one day before the performance, because of which at 8 in the night we were almost changing the song of that act, and the next day was the shoot, and we both were in tears. Like that day, for the first time, we both thought कि अच्छा ऐसा हो सकता है कि हम निकल जाए shoot से, because
Yeah.
our act was not ready till 8 in the night.
Cut to in
And-
5 minutes, I was having Pringles and I was like, yeah, koi
And in
kha
5
ke
minutes
lete.
he comes to me, he's like, baby Pringles खाओगी? And we both sat down with Pringles and we eating it. And choreographer was like, क्या हो गया? तुम लोगों को पता भी है कि कर, but then you're like, ठीक है. That act was very close. We knew कि it's going to be straight from the heart, तो बुरा तो नहीं हो सकता है. And it just ended up well. ऐसे होते ना भगवान ने साथ दिया. It just.
Now you define me.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that's
You
very-
forgot his
yeah.
tarif. How can you forget his
Oh,
tarif?
How you define me?
I know. I've got it prepared.
Okay, so Abhi, if you have to define Sanam in your life in this relationship, how would you define it?
In
I
one word.
think in one word, what? दूसरे full
come
ऐसे.
on. She'll say lollipop ka
Lollipop. So I think I started working very young. I was 15 when I started working. So I've never been pampered or taken care of. And he always says this to me. You know, he's like he says this to everybody in general that I know that she's been working young. She's not got the kind of childhood that she deserved or whatever. I've not had a college life and everything. So he's always pampered me. Whenever I've called him in Vasai and said कि baby, मेरा मन कर रहा है, सारा का जल्दी pack up हो गया है, she's gone with a friend's party. So he used to get food and come and surprise me on the set. And he's just taking care of me, and I've not been taken care of so much by anybody in life. And as I always say, one very good thing about Sanam is that he makes me want to be a better person. He's such a nice person because I think initially in a relationship everyone shows their good side, पहले 4-5 महीने तो you think अरे हमारा ही boyfriend best है. But with Sanam I'm with him 24 hours a day. It's been over 4 years of knowing him actually. And he's a very nice person in general. He is so helpful. He's the kind who will go to co-contestants and help them with their choreography if they ask. He's like that. And he's done that in Dare to Dance also. I remember one day I called him and baby where
That's why you want it.
yeah, and he was like, baby, नहीं, Shantini needed some help. So I'm just helping her figure out her act and उसके बाद I'm coming. So I was like, okay, ठीक है. So he's like that. And I love that about him. I think if somebody can be so nice, why can't I, And I really want to be that person because I'm with him and I think he
But
deserves.
it goes for both of you. This industry is very harsh and not easy. You need to have
Yeah,
something
it's-
extra, to keep going. ना loving होते हैं तो उस पे ये देखो, I'm so sorry.
Sat on it.
I'm so sorry.
Anupama just sat on our rose, guys.
I'm so sorry, but yeah, मेरे
It's very.
नहीं, but I have a beautiful thing actually. There are beautiful. I have got these gifts for you guys. This is for Sanam. This is for Abhi.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much. This is so cute.
Thanks so much.
Pleasure.
Yay!
We have to sign some autographs. Okay. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, बस थोड़े से. सबसे पहले हम आपके जो 2 fan clubs हैं, because the moment we posted, we could see that how much they are in love with you guys.
Yeah,
So
and they
sweet, guys.
promote us so much. Yeah, they do what we are supposed to be doing, and thank you guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Every time I go to fan clubs to see good pictures of myself, because I don't have them, and I know they will have it. So thank you. We love
And
them. We really
they
appreciate
have
it.
no clue that they were getting these autographs.
Oh
Yeah.
yay!
So it was a surprise for them. So you both can sign. One is for Ahuti
Yes, I'm right.
and so there is this Jeannie Ma. She runs your Abigail XNM. She's like, her name is something else, and she said no, Abhidi knows me by this name. So make sure,
Jeannie
make
Yeah.
sure I get autographed by this name.
Definitely.
Okay. OMG. Yes, Angel Sanam Bhai, who is your dance idol?
My dance idol. I think my dance idol will be MJ, Michael Jackson.
Okay, so Anu, मेरा full name Dilpreet है. Yes, I know. So we were running this contest and we said whosoever will be the guest of the week, तो उनको autograph मिलेगा. तो हमारे दो winners हैं Dilpreet and D-Boy.
DL.
D-Boy.
हाँ. Abidi, you have lifted Sanam. How heavy is he?
Oh, you know what? He was so irritated because I lifted him ना, and everyone came up to me and said, "तूने उठा ली?" He's like, "मैं जो इतने टाइम से उठा रहा हूँ तुम्हें 50 बार." Nobody says anything about that. तूने एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे उठाना है यार, guys. It was so much hard work. कैसे?
I was holding myself, at least.
But whatever, I carried it.
So there is this angel. All she's writing is OMG. I think she is not able to believe. Who's your tough competitor on the show?
Abigail is my tough competition.
Gaurav, he has
I
already
teach
you
her
answered.
dance, and I'm
That-
doing
Yeah, one
Question.
lift she did and she's become better than me.
Okay,
She is better than me.
It's done. Well,
So guys, contest winner of the week goes to Dilpreet. So this
Okay,
is for
so
Dilpreet.
Dilpreet Paji. Paji or
Love
girl?
Sanam, you are
Is she a
an
girl? She's
amazing
a girl?
dancer.
Boy. Dilpreet Paji, congratulations.
I love your work.
Thank you.
दीपक का नाम है, D-Boy का नाम है दीपक.
Zero.
Angel is like Sanam. She's just writing Sanam. OMG, Sanam. OMG. I think it's very. It hardly happens that we have good-looking guys in the industry. Maybe that's why girls go gaga. वरना तो
Yeah.
अभी से नजर हटे किसकी.
हाँ वो तो मेरी भी नहीं हटती.
Deepak, this one is for
Deepak.
Yeah. Yes. So Shushmita 12 is like it's 2 a.m. in the morning in the US and she is still watching.
Wow.
oh, thank
Some
you.
dedication here.
Yeah.
Some very nice. Thank you so much. Please pray for us. We really want to win. Please pray.
गौरव पूछ रहे हैं आप लोग बॉलीवुड में कब एंट्री कर रहे हो?
Bollywood में.
Kimberly is like I'm your biggest fan in the whole world.
Kimberly.
Kimberly. Is this Kimberly Pandey?
Yes.
That's my sister.
Kimberly
Kim.
Pan.
इतना सारा प्यार.
If you love me so much and biggest fan, why don't you call me?
Okay. Thank you. Abigail and Sanam, I love you so much. Shushmita, bhai, are you interested?
Are you?
You both as a couple, who is a tough competitor on the show? Achha, who is more competitive, I think she wants to ask.
In both of us.
Amongst both of us or with other people? Okay. This is for Deepak.
हाँ.
This is for Ahuti. This is for Shamina.
हाँ.
And that is for Dilpreet.
And last is for Alam Sheikh.
Okay.
This guy is from Mumbai. He stays in Saudi.
Okay. Hello.
Saudi.
So that's AALAM.
Yes. प्यार तूने क्या किया में आप जैसे थे. Are you really the same?
प्यार तूने क्या किया कि मैंने 4 episodes के depends on which
Yes.
episode you're talking about.
Okay.
But, yeah, I'm like this.
Ahuti is like Sanam, please give all the best to me.
All the best out. Maybe she has some exams or something. All the best, Ahuti. I think she has her exams going on. All the best, and whoever's exams are going on, all the best to you guys. Please come first.
What it means to win Natch Palia for you guys, so that we can ask them to vote for you.
In a nutshell, हमें ये शो इसलिए जीतना है क्योंकि हमने एक तो बहुत मेहनत की है. We've given the best performances. As the judges have said कि हमने level बढ़ाया है, not just Natch Palia का, just Indian dancing का. So that is one. And secondly, we have to get a house. We have to buy a house so that we can get married soon. Because that's our plan. We want to get a house. We'll get married. We'll live happily ever after.
Guys, यार पूरा करो उनका सपना. आपको पता नहीं मुंबई में घर खरीदना है. It's not a joke.
Yeah, it's
पता है
not a
आपको?
joke.
एक लड़के ने मुझे लिखा कि ओ अनुपमा है वो पेंट हाउस इन समवेयर गुजरात. और मैंने कहा बेटा आप पर एक फ्लैट खरीदो मुंबई में, उसके बाद बात करें.
Yeah, actually, it's very. I just got a property in Delhi,
Yeah.
but then it's Delhi is way cheap.
It's
very
Bombay, yeah.
cheap compared to.
Yeah.
बॉम्बे में रेंट पे मिलना भी इतना मतलब ड्रामा है.
Yeah. Sanam, if you are here, who is running the heaven?
Oh, whoa.
I
Who's
don't-
running the heaven?
Well, maybe.
SPS तुम लड़की हो या लड़का पहले
Wow, yeah.
लड़की है ये
I think people like you, they're running.
Okay.
So sweet. Thank you so much.
So thank you everyone. Please vote for them. अगर आपको नहीं पता कहाँ कैसे vote करना है, we are going to put it on my page, live.in का page everywhere. You will get the information. अगर आपको ये वाकई पसंद आई, see they have come, they have given their time, love to you guys. So please make them win.
Please guys, please.
Okay? Say bye to them.
Love you all. Thank you so much
Thanks
for
for
being here with
voting,
us.
and please keep voting. We have number of days. These are like four days to vote.
Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday till 9 AM in the morning.
So spread as much, share as much, make as many people vote. Please, we really want to win this.
So Diksha is like really pleased to meet you guys. My wishes always with you. You will rock. Wasim is like good luck. Sahil is like Abhi send me flying kisses.
That's for you.
Parth is like some dance together. So बैठे is it possible कोई एक step करने का? Priya Gulati is like please say my name Sanam.
Priya Gulati, what's up? Hi, God bless you.
अनुष्का कह रही है मैम आप कितनी अच्छी लग रही हो.
Thank you. मैंने मेकअप लगाया.
तेजस कह रहे हैं हमारे दोस्त पहुंच गए होंगे आपके पास. दुबे कह रहे हैं मुझसे शादी करोगे. उन्होंने घर खरीदने की प्लानिंग करी है. अभी आपका फैन क्लब कह रहे हैं they will spread the video on entire fan
Yeah,
page.
please do that because you know how great we are with social media.
दुबे कह रहे हैं मुझसे शादी करोगे.
किससे पूछ रहे हैं?
आपसे
नहीं अब सनम से ही शादी
She's taken. She's been taken.
Yeah. जियो के सिम से हम वोट करेंगे.
So sweet.
Yeah.
सनम का ऑटोग्राफ दे दो प्लीज. आउटी यू हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट द ऑटोग्राफ. आपको पता ही नहीं चला क्योंकि आधे लोगों के लिए सरप्राइज था. ओके एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच. टाइम टू गो. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग हियर गाइस. लॉट्स ऑफ लव.
Lots of love, guys.
Okay, so it was so wonderful to have this power pack Jodi on like.me today. Sanam and Abhi Gail, they need no introduction. Abhi has a beautiful name which means something so beautiful. If you want to know, message me. Okay, so all I want to say is they genuinely deserve to win. They are really wonderful, real, hardworking people. And if you really want them to be together, make them win. And what do you have to say?
Guys, we are working very hard. Please vote for us.
Please vote for
and
us.
thank you so much.
We had a wonderful time.
We had a great time. Really, it's so scary before live interviews because it's live. So whatever you're saying, nothing can be edited. But I think we had a great time.
Yeah.
It was fantastic. It felt very comfortable. So thank you.
ये बोलने के लिए मैंने अभी कोई गुलाब का फूल दिया था.
Yeah. Check.
So how they can vote you please आप बताइए कैसे वोट कर सकते हैं कब तक वोट कर सकते हैं.
संडे के बाद.
संडे 8 बजे रात के.
आप ही बोलो ना बाकी.
अरे संडे के बाद
बोलो ना प्लीज.
तो संडे 8 बजे से लेके थर्सडे सुबह 9 बजे तक वोटिंग लाइन्स खुली रहेंगी. तो संडे नाइट, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे एंड थर्सडे मॉर्निंग तक. एंड
You can vote for us by dialing and giving a missed call on 1800-843-2208. 1800-843-2208. Please.
yes, and please vote for us, guys. And if you don't live in India and if you if you can't vote, please pray for us and tell your relatives who live in India to vote.
Yeah, that's the
It means
best
a lot.
thing. Yes.
Please.
अगर आप ये नोक झोंक चाहते हैं कि चलती रहे तो फिर आप वोट करते रहिए. थैंक यू एवरीवन. अरे आप लाइक कर दो ना. वोट.
Please vote.